Garden friends, I am so excited. I have struck gold. Take a look at the variety of clearance plants here at my Lowe's 7B. So many to choose from. This is the best time to get your hands on discounted clearance plants. A lot of these plants just need a little TLC. So let's go clearance shopping. The first thing here is a figgly fig. Wow, $120, and that is half price. It comes in this really big, sizable pot, and you can see it is a beaut. No stains, no mold. This is a great bargain, a figgly fig. Now, this plant is indoors. You don't keep it outdoors unless you live in one of those tropical climates or very hot climate, but look at it, stunning. Here they have a whole host of hostas. Now, I understand they look a little tattered, a little beat up. They are $10.98, and that is $7, but just take a look at them. They just need a little bit of love. That's all they really need. And for the price, it's not bad. Now, this is a great time to get hostas because hostas are drought tolerant. So the only thing you have to do is just get rid of the old ugly leaves and then just put it in the ground and you have a brand new hosta. This hosta is the Minuteman hosta. Comes in this beautiful foliage. We got the Proven Winners variety, the Shadowland Miss America, and this bigger variety, the Plantain Lily. They have tons of grasses here for about $2. And you can see they come in these little containers, and they really look great. They got plenty of daylilies, the strawberry candy daylily, and it comes in this beautiful peach color for $7. What I love about daylilies is that it's a continuous bloomer, meaning that they bloom over and over again. Once their bloom falls off, another new one appears. Bonus tip here, if you don't have any more flowers and only the stem is left, you can cut it down. That way all the energy will go back to the plant to make new blooms for next season. Proven Winners spilled wine right here for half price. Now don't be scared, it does look a little scary, but all you have to do is just cut out dead leaves, water it, put it in shade, and it will bounce back. This is great for a small garden because it's a small shrub. It only gets 2 to 3 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet wide. Besides, guys, who can't resist those beautiful flowers? Anything above $15 is 50% off, $10 to $14, $7, $5 to $9.99, $4, $2 to $4.99, $2, and less than $2, you'll get it for $1. This is a beautiful fireside 9-bark. Take a look at those gorgeous dark leaves. It is spectacular, and it is $27.98, meaning that it is half price. Let's take a look at the specs. Full sun, deep red to purple, medium watering, zone hardiness is 3, meaning that if you are in a zone 3, colder zone, you can grow this beautiful plant. I love the smell of lilacs. They have this one for half price. Just take a look at those blooms. Now, unfortunately, it's not blooming now, but again, this would be a great buy if you're looking for a lilac half price, and you can see it looks really good. There's no dry leaves. What I would do is water and put it in the shade. Let's take a look at some of the specs. It says it gets to 3 to 5 feet high, 3 to 5 feet wide. Cold hardiness, zones 3 to 7. So if you are in one of those hotter climates, that's not going to work. This lilac is going to be, it's not going to be a happy lilac if you're in a very hot zone. And for pruning benefits, it says do not prune until after flowering has ended. A look at this flower basket. It's half price for $22.98, but look at the flowers. It's still very good. Oh my God, it is absolutely gorgeous. This is something that is immediately going into my cart. A Zania flower basket isn't looking too bad. Look at the flowers, it's gorgeous. The only thing you have to do is just cut the flowers back, give it some fertilizer, and voila, it'll be brand new again. Now keep in mind, these are annuals, meaning that they don't come back year after year, but still not a bad buy if you're looking for a potted plant. Here is another annual, a goober daisy, and this is a little beautiful little bloom that's popping out. Take a look at the leaves. The leaves are nice and green, and the plant overall looks healthy. And this is half price. Oh no, that's $7. This flower requires 6 hours of direct sun. Watering is low, meaning that it is drought tolerant. It matures to 8 to 12 inches high, and it blooms in spring, summer, and fall. Some more beautiful annuals to choose from. They have this geranium for $7. They have the red variety and the pink variety. Again, these are annuals, but if you're looking for a quick fix of color in your garden at a discount, this is a pretty good buy. You can see this one is pushing out blooms. Wow, so this is going to bloom and give you all that beautiful pink color. And check out these upright mounding sunflowers. They are $18.98, meaning that they are half price. Oh my God, they are such in good shape, and some of them haven't even bloomed yet. So if I were you, I would choose the ones that haven't bloomed. That way you're getting almost a brand new plant at a discount. And they also have strawberries here on sale for $7. No, it's not too late to plant strawberries if you are in zone 5 through 10. Now, if you're in a colder zone or your first frost date is in October, then yes. But if you are like in me, a zone 7B, you can still plant strawberries. No, it's not too late. Guys, we all love perennials and annuals, but let's take a look at the indoor plants. They got this pothos. This is a nice beginner-friendly plant for those of you who are new to gardening and indoor plants. This doesn't require a lot of water. You can keep it indoors. They like low light, and you can see this one is thriving. This one is half price. A bonus tip, it comes with this hanging basket, so you can hang it on your patio or inside. I just found this money plant. This is $19.99, so it's half price. Oh, it is so cute. This would go really nice in my bedroom or on a coffee table. This plant likes bright to medium sunlight, water weekly, and keep above 50 degrees. Oh my goodness, take a look at this beaut. I don't know what it is. It's from Live Trends, but it comes in this cute little pot, and it's self-watering. For those of you who want a low maintenance plant, cactus and succulents are great because you don't have to water them as much, and they're just as cute as the indoor flowering plants. This is also going in my cart. Take a look at the beautiful color on this. It's like a rusty red. This would be perfect in my rock garden. Now, if you see these type of plants, this is not, unfortunately, a beginner-friendly plant. This needs a lot of TLC and a lot of maintenance. It doesn't like bright light. It likes indirect sun. It doesn't like to be overwatered. It likes moisture, but not wet feet. So if you're looking at this plant, make sure that you may want to consider passing on it because it's really not a beginner-friendly plant, but it is absolutely stunning. What I love about prayer plants is that the foliage underneath is always has some type of beautiful purple or rosy color to it. And the official name of this are calatheas. So this is $24.98, right? Half price. Okay, it's not too bad. So about $12. These are the plants that can't be saved, right? I don't think so. Poor plants. No rescue. Oh. No early grave for these unfortunate plants. Check out this jungle velvet. I love the striped foliage on this leaves, and they're nice and soft. This is a really good looking plant that's on a bargain. That is half price for about $7 and some change. Let's take it out of its pot. It is a pretty small plant, but it comes with this really nice pot. Guys, I hope you're getting a lot of good information from this video. Can you do me a favor and like it and subscribe to my channel if you're getting any good tips from what you're seeing from this video? You can see lots of people here at my local Lowe's grabbing and snatching up all these bargain plants. Now, if you are getting a perennial or an annual or an indoor plant, please remember to examine it carefully. Sometimes these plants, unfortunately, may carry bugs or pests. So you want to examine them carefully. You want to look underneath the leaves, investigate the soil. Just don't grab them and take them home because they may be diseased or have some type of pest on them. So make sure you examine the plants carefully before you buy them. Guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, Determined Gardener. Again, I would recommend you run to your local big box store because lots of them are now having discounted plants and some of them are in great shape and you can get them for half price. Again, thanks for joining me on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Until next time, guys, happy gardening. Bye-bye.